Good morning, Yasin.
Morning, sir.
Okay, this is your first interview at my workshop. First question is, please tell me about yourself.
Yeah. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Yasin Yusuf Priyotamami. You can be called Yasin. I'm from South Kalimantan. I currently have the status of an active student at Diponegoro University, majoring in mechanical engineering. I semester 3 and I am currently focused on studying. I have a hobby of playing badminton and like playing motorbikes. I am interested in joining this workshop as mechanical motorbike.
Okay. Hmm, Second question is, what do you like about garage mechanic?
I like the workshop mechanic. That is, I can get to know more about the engine component in motorbike, and I am very interested in finding out more about them because for me it would be very cool for me if I could find out more about them. Even though I'm not very skilled in the field of motorbikes mechanic, I will still study, learn more.
Okay. Third question is, have you ever worked before? You want to apply for this workshop?
No, I have never worked before applying to this workshop, but I had accompanied my parents to the company and I had seen the progress of repairing machines in my father's factory. And I learned little by little about the process of repairing factory machines.
Okay. Next question is, um, are you willing to accept the consequence if you make a mistake while working?
Yes, I will accept all the consequence if I make these mistakes, and I will carry out what I have said in the future.
Okay. Next question, or the last question is, when can you start working in my workshop?
I will start working in workshop tomorrow.
Hmm. Okay, you can start working in my workshop tomorrow. Yes, it.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're
Good
welcome.
morning, sir.
Good morning to Yasin.